Craig Justice, we're here at InfoComm 2026, and we're really pleased to introduce the Instacast. This is a video conferencing system, and it won a very prestigious rAVe award for the best meeting room system here at InfoComm. So thank you, rAVe Publications, for the award. We're just really honored to receive that. All right, let's talk a bit about the product. You can go ahead and connect up to 4 devices. So there's 2 USB-C connectors here and also 2 HDMI connectors. And then this system here, once everything's connected, it is wireless to the camera over here. So up here, you'll see the camera is there. The camera, it pans, it zooms in, it does all of that automatically. You see how it's tracking? So we have the camera with the sound bar, and I should also mention that with our wireless technology, there's no software, no drivers, no apps, no recurring fees, and it's off the network. So because of that, there's no added security vulnerabilities. So that's very important for the IT directors. And with our wireless technology across all of our product line, it includes wireless USB touchback, which means I can control the main computer up here from a touch panel. So once again, this is called the Instacast wireless conferencing video system from HoverCam. To find out more about it, please visit our website at www.hovercam.com.